Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some really exciting to share with you. The brand new HPI Venture U4 Ford Bronco 4400. This isn't just any Bronco, it's the officially licensed Loren Healy Ultra4 4400 edition. If you know anything about Ultra4 racing, you know Loren Healy is one of the biggest names in the off-road racing business. King of the Hammers champion, trailblazer, and all-round rock racing legend. Now HPI has taken all that inspiration and packed it into a 1/18th scale RC truck that you can just run about anywhere. In this video, we'll be going through an unboxing, talking about the detail of the product and taking a look at the different versions and colors, and I'll share my first impression. And hey, if you're into RC cars, be sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button, just because I've got way more videos coming on the way. Introduced the full running video and a build of the metal upgrades that you won't want to miss. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Straight away, the presentation is spot on. You've got bold graphics, licensed Ford Bronco branding, and that ready to race Loren Healy look, even before you lift the lid. Inside, of course, is the truck itself, and wow, even at 18th scale, it's such a strong presence. Fit off the protective film, and look at the body, aggressive stance, proper livery, and the scale look that makes me feel like a mini Ultra4 racing rig. Also in the box, 2.4 GHz transmitter, nice and compact. Instruction manual and setup guide, a few spaces of tools to get you going. Battery and charger are also included, so keep that in mind. It comes with a tiny battery. Obviously it's a tiny little truck, so yeah, it comes with that as well. This is an 18th scale RC truck, so it's small enough to throw in a backpack, but it still packs some serious features. The body is licensed Ford Bronco 440, and if you know Loren Healy, you'll instantly recognize the livery. It's officially licensed with sponsored logos and graphics to match the full-size Ultra4 racer. On this chassis, HPI hasn't cut corners. We've got solid axles, folding suspension, long travel oil shocks, beadlock wheels, and aggressive tires that grip almost any terrain. It's rugged, compact, and perfect for running anywhere, with a rock garden, in your back garden, or in the skate park, or just crawling in your local woods. What's cool is you get a choice of 4 different versions depending on how you want to drive and what you want to drive. There's the brushed version, which has loads of torque and control, perfect for crawling and trail runs, and great for getting it into the hobby. That comes in at around 150 pounds. And then there's the Flux version, which is the brushless version. This has a more powerful motor, faster acceleration, higher top speeds, and designed to handle more extreme terrain with ease. On top of that, there are 2 different liveries. There's bright yellow or green, the Vaughn Gittin Junior Edition, and then there's the red and white and blue, which is the Loren Healy Edition. Both look absolutely amazing, so it's down to whether you prefer flashy and bold or clean, patriotic racing style. Let's talk performance. The Flux brushless version is going to be the weapon here. Crazy fast for the 18th scale truck, with power that makes blasting across dirt tracks and climbing obstacles effortless. The brushed model is slower, but gives that smooth scale driving feel, perfect recording, trail adventures, and more precise control. Both share the same tough chassis, suspension geometry, and drivetrain. They're built to take knocks, rollovers, and plenty of abuse, which is exactly what you want for a trail truck like this. And remember, small doesn't mean weak. These little rigs pack a punch, and you'll be surprised how capable they are right out of the box. Now that I've got it in hand, the first thing I notice is how solid it feels for a small scale truck. The suspension is nice and smooth, with plenty of travel. The body looks fantastic, and the tires feel really grippy on grippy enough for mixed terrain. And here's the best part. The truck is fully upgradable. It's the same chassis as the other HPI mini truck, the Toyota Hilux. So all the metal parts fit on this chassis. So all the axles, suspension links, drive shafts, all the metal hubs, all of that kind of stuff that's available on radiocontrol.co.uk will fit. And I will do a follow-up video to demonstrate all of those metal parts going on. So if you want to make your Bronco tougher, heavier, or just look more scale realistic, you can go all out with upgrades. I'll be doing a dedicated video as soon as we swap all those metal upgrades and see how much difference they really make. So be sure and subscribe for that. So there it is, the unboxing and first look of the HPI Racing Venture U4 Bronco 440, official licensed from Loren Healy's Ultra4 racer. I'm seriously impressed with this little rig, and I can't wait to get it out on the trails fully running. If you enjoy this unboxing, hit the like button. It really helps us grow the channel. Dropping a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to go brushed recording or brushless flux for pure power. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got trail runs and full metal upgrades coming very, very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.